to the turkey. Don't you think a soft, warm roll is the second most important part of the Thanksgiving dinner? Hold on. Is the roll the most important part? If you want to turn out homemade rolls for the first time, you better get practicing, people. Chef Lesli Sommerdorf from Harwin's is here to get you started. I don't know. I know
anybody can do it.
I know that's okay. Good. That's good.
Yes.
I think I did just make a shocking statement though, but I think I look forward to the carbs more than I do the bird.
I'm gonna have to say mashed potatoes and the gravy, because you need some sopping.
You do need some of that.
I love mashed potatoes.
So
where
do you put the roll though? Number 3 then for you? Turkey.
Must I?
Yes, you must.
Okay, turkey.
Yes.
Mashed potatoes.
2, and then the roll?
Gravy rolls.
Wow, number 4?
I know, I just like shattered the world.
All right, well my number 1
important, though.
Is the carb. It is the bread.
If it wasn't there, I'd miss it.
Okay, you said we can do it. This is homemade though. This is like
okay, you
scratch.
ready?
I think so.
Okay, normally bread would be 4 ingredients, right? Flour, salt, yeast.
Yeah.
Water.
Right.
But we're gonna add 2 really important ingredients.
Okay.
We're gonna add eggs, and we're gonna add butter.
Okay.
So the eggs they're basically to add flavor, to add texture, to add flakiness, all that gorgeousness.
Yeah.
So this is why this is such a good recipe. And you know what, this is Donna Lou Morgan. Do you remember her from the Salt Lake Tribune? She was the food editor for eons.
Right.
This is her recipe.
Okay, so thanks to Donna and thanks to you for bringing it to us.
Okay,
Let's go.
So go ahead. I've got some warm water. Do not go hotter than 115 degrees or you will kill your yeast. If it's not fuzzy, chuck it and do it again.
Okay.
Because that's the first thing for the beginner, right? Have you ever made rolls?
I believed her. Not from scratch.
Okay. There you go. Cup of warm water. Again, not too hot.
Warm.
Warm. Now I'm gonna have you add the sugar.
Wait, what was that first thing?
It was yeast plus
water.
a half a cup of warm water.
Okay.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Because yeast likes sugar and it eats with sugar.
Yes.
But guess what? It doesn't like salt.
Oh.
It stops working. But we can do that now because it's already bloomed.
Okay.
Right? Okay, got my 3 eggs beaten.
Eggs.
Go ahead.
Eggs.
I don't know, large, medium, extra, just to make them jumbo or whatever, okay? And then, softened.
Hello, butter.
Couple of hours, make it nice and soft.
Okay.
Okay, and I have my dough hook, which I probably could have used my paddle. I'm gonna do like 2 cups of flour first. Now I use just King Arthur all-purpose flour. You don't need to go bread flour because you're not really like going gonzo and making bread at this point.
Okay.
Okay, so then you just have you're gonna need one of these.
Yeah, I do
You
own
need one of
those,
these, okay?
So.
And you want your dough hook. So I'm gonna let this stir for a little bit, and I'm gonna get it nice and smooth, and the butter and everything's gonna kind of amalgamate. Ooh, that's my word of the day, amalgamate. And then we're going to throw in the remainder. So a total of like 4.5 cups, and it's gonna depend on the day, right? It might be sticky. The goal is you want the dough to come off of the bowl, and you want it to be a nice, dryish dough.
So you just adjust as you go.
Adjust as you go.
Okay.
But you're looking at 4.5 cups, 4 3/4 cups, something along those lines.
Somewhere around there.
Okay, guess what? You're gonna, I got my dough here, and I'm gonna get into that Zen mode, and I'm gonna knead my dough on a lightly floured work surface.
Yes.
And I'm gonna oil a bowl.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna take my dough ball, and I'm gonna put my dough ball in there, and I'm gonna cover with plastic wrap so that it doesn't form a skin.
Okay.
And then I'm going to just leave it till it doubles in size.
Okay.
I'm gonna punch it down.
Yes.
And then I'm going to put it back in its bowl, and I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator overnight.
Oh.
Now, I didn't do that with my rolls because I didn't think about this 2 days ago. I'm sorry, forgive me. I got a lot on my plate. It's Thanksgiving. I gotta like order my bird.
Did you just? A lot on your plate.
All right, pun intended. Not. Okay, so then you're gonna take them out, and then we're going to roll them out.
Okay.
Okay, so now it's the next morning.
Morning up, stretch. Good morning.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Now, I've taken it, I've cut it in half with my big guy.
This is exciting.
Okay, I've got my lightly floured, and I'm going for a rectangle.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I want to have it be, I want it floured, but I don't want it to stick. I don't want too much.
Okay.
Okay, you got your rectangle? I got my rectangle.
Yes, yes.
Your rectangle's gonna just be traditional rolls.
Okay.
So go ahead and just take your pastry brush and kind of give it a frame though, remember, like pizza? So you're not gonna go straight to the edge, but you're gonna just go liberally. Oh, sorry, sister. I thought you could do the pastry brush, but you can't. So you're gonna
get out of town.
Yeah, just smear.
Got it.
And there's your towel.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do an orange version.
Come off for this.
No, okay, whatever you want. So I've got a 1/3 of a cup of butter.
Yeah.
I have an entire zest of 1 orange.
Yeah.
And then I have 1/2 cup of sugar.
Okay, so you're going orange rolls.
I'm going orange rolls.
So you're zesty and I'm traditional.
Look, oh, sorry. I'm gonna save some for when it comes out, and I gotta put that on the top.
Okay.
Okay, so, look at you. And then we're gonna roll.
This is a lot of butter.
I know.
That is not a complaint.
Okay, I'm telling you, it's true. You're gonna have what, 2 rolls?
Well,
Come on. Yeah.
You forget my priority list.
Just wait until the resolutions happen. Okay, you're good. Look at you.
Is that good?
Phenomenal. Here, slather it on the end.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, you can either start this way or you can go that way. I go toward me. I don't know why.
We're rolling?
Yep, we're rolling.
Okay.
So kind of just lift and roll.
Lift and roll.
Lift and roll. Okay?
Yep.
All right. And then seam side down, so all your loop doesn't come out.
Yep.
And then I kind of tuck in the edges because otherwise somebody's going to get a really small roll and they're going to be angry.
We do not want
Don't
angry
be angry,
guests.
people.
No, be happy.
Okay, grab that one.
This
and
one?
I'll take that one.
Okay.
This is for taking your dough out of your bowl.
Yeah. It's a scraper.
You're going to do that. A scraper. Cut it in
Not even
half.
impressed by me anymore.
You're good.
Okay.
Cut it in half.
Go.
Cut the half in half.
Half and half.
Cut in half again.
Why do I feel nervous and excited?
It's okay, because apparently I'm a little cuckoo too. Haven't you noticed? Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Now I have an oiled muffin tin at the ready.
Where?
Right here.
Here.
Okay, and then you're just going to cut side up. They go in cut side up, and then they're going to rise again until they're nice and puffy, probably like an hour in a warm spot.
Okay.
Pop them in a 400-degree oven, 12 to 15 minutes, and prepare yourself.
Or in traditional, take your pick.
Finished product right over there.
Beautiful, beautiful.
We just made rolls.
We did it. You did it. I helped you.
That?
I learned. I feel really good about that. Hey, what's coming up at Harmon's for Thanksgiving?
Oh my gosh, you can still order all of your entire meal if you want Harmon's to do it, right?
I mean, that sounds like a good idea to me.
Yes. Or we've got the party trays. We've got, if you just need an appetizer, if you just need a side dish, you just need to take a little something. Yeah. Our deli is chock full of it. You can also, we're doing our 20th anniversary of Give a Gobble with the Utah Food Bank. Okay. So you can go ahead to the check stand, go, oh, a little $10 donation, and I can help toward a meal for a family in need.
Love it.
Yeah, it's time to give back.
Love it. Thank you so much. I feel like I can conquer this. Thanks to you. Recipe on our website, studio5.ksl.com.